Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to disable camera input in Roblox, you're in the right place. Whether you want to protect your privacy or just prefer not to use your device's camera while playing, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off camera input on the Roblox app. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving on to the next step. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots labeled More. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, find and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience and manage your privacy and security settings. In the Settings menu, scroll until you see Privacy and Content Restrictions. Go ahead and tap on that option. Now you'll see a list of privacy controls. Here you want to tap on Communication. This section manages how you interact with other players and what information you share while using Roblox. Within the communications settings, you'll notice an option called Camera Input. Tap on it to access the camera controls. You'll see a toggle switch that lets you enable or disable camera input. To turn off the camera, simply tap the toggle so it switches to the off position. And that's it. Your camera input is now disabled in Roblox. This means the app won't be able to access your device's camera while you play, giving you extra peace of mind and control over your privacy. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and turn the camera input back on if you change your mind later. Keeping your privacy settings up to date is a great way to make sure you're comfortable and secure while enjoying your favorite Roblox games. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. See you next time.